Okay, guys, example number 3 says find the quotient. Now I want you to think about this. If I have fractions that have the same if I have fractions that have the same denominator, they have a common denominator, I can just put them together into one fraction, right? Now you can see I've got a trinomial over a monomial. Do you see that this is really 3 fractions, all with the same denominator? They just combined it into one. So if I want to find the quotient, I'm actually going to separate these things into 3 separate fractions. This is 6x to the 6th over negative 2x squared minus 10x to the 4th over negative 2x squared plus 2x squared over negative 2x squared. Okay, I just pulled them back apart into 3 fractions. And I have to divide each one of these terms has to be divided by negative 2x squared. Do you see this fraction bar goes the entire way across? I can't just cancel there. Please don't ever do that. Not even if your grandmother asks you to, because that's just wrong. You can't do that. All of those terms are being divided by negative 2x squared. So I have to divide each of them, not one of them. I can't just cancel them out because they look alike. Okay? We'll do some more of this next year, but we definitely need to be looking at this now. So, guys, before I put these things back together, what I'm going to do is I'm going to simplify each fraction. This becomes negative 3, right? Because 6 divided by negative 2 is negative 3. X to the what, Eric? No. X to the what, Benny? 4th. Because when I'm dividing variables, or the same base, I subtract their exponents. 6 minus 2 is 4. You can also think there are 6 x's on top and 2 x's on the bottom. Which has more, top or bottom? Top. How many more? 4 more. X to the 4th. Minus, now I need to simplify this thing. 10 over negative 2 gives me what? Negative 5. Thank you. And x to the 4th over x squared is just x squared. Why did he put that in parentheses? Because, guys, this is a negative fraction. It has a negative sign down here. It's going to be minus a negative. We'll change it in a minute and make it plus. Okay? Now, this one's going to be plus. What's 2x squared over negative 2x squared, Jack? Negative 1. Perfect. Now, guys, something that we said earlier, we don't like to have 2 operators right next to each other, minus a minus and plus a negative. We don't like that. We can simplify that and write it better. We're going to say negative 3x to the 4th plus 5x squared, because minus a minus is a plus, minus 1. Done. That's it. Now, I took a little extra time in there doing it. As you get faster with this, you probably aren't even going to separate these things out. You're just going to divide each term by the denominator and just write it. Okay? But for this one, you can see exactly what's happening. All right? Good job. We're going to go to the last example.